Why spend 100 hours designing new types of ad creative when your competitors have already made millions doing the same thing? We can use their ads to steal, adapt, and learn from for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can steal your competitors' ads for free. This is a video you do not want to miss. Hit the like button if you find some value. Let's jump in. Having the ability to view and evaluate your competitors, their creative, their text, what's working and what isn't working is a game changer. This should be able to cut down the noise and the time it takes you to get to market. Whether you're working on your own or you work for a large organization, this is essential, and this is seriously important for you to have someone within the business or yourself doing this so you know what is working, what isn't working, and what you need to change to improve your own ads. So here we are looking at Meta, at Facebook and Instagram ads. Meta powers both. Here we are looking at Meta ads. Meta ads power both Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you are hiring someone to manage your ads, it's quite likely that they will offer both Facebook and Instagram ads at the same time because they are activated and managed within the one place. So let's have a look here. We can search by country, having a look at every country or one specific country. Let's look at every country and all ads. The other button there is to say for political issues. Most ads won't have to deal with that. Let's have a look at one of the big players. Let's look at Facebook themselves. Let's look at Facebook ads. They have 188 million followers. There are 960 ads that are being run by Facebook. Here are a selection of the creatives that are displaying. There will always be more that aren't displaying here, but we see a huge amount of actual creative. So we've got 4 different ads here. We can keep scrolling down. We see more and more. So let's start off with the top one here. You can watch the video.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay, that ad is clearly targeting the younger generation, looking towards Gen Z. It is high intensity, showing different utilities that you can do with it, like gaming with friends, instant messaging. It's not giving you a voiceover. It is just giving you high energy and people in situ doing the ad itself. Let's go up to filters up at the top right up here. Let's just have a look at English. So they're running English and Hindi ads. We've got all platforms. We've got Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network. Let's go into Facebook on its own. English, Facebook ads, media types, images, videos. I'm going to leave it all of them active. Within Facebook, we are able to look at active ads and inactive ads. We want to look at active ads because that should show us ones that are currently running. Inactive ads may have been turned off. They may not have been performing correctly for businesses, and that's why they're now inactive. So we'll activate ads and impression date from. So what I really want to do here is I want to put a bit of longevity behind the ads that are active. I don't want to look at ads that have been live for 1 week. I want to have a look at ads that have been live for 2 months. Now this will get rid of seasonality or brand new products, but it is a good way to filter out the noise when you're looking for what is and is not working. So let's have a look at 2022 all the way up to January 2024. Apply. So we have ads that were launched in January. We've got 2 versions here that we can go in, have a look at, click on the button, which will give you more details about the advertiser. So we can see the company has 188 million followers, 5.2 million followers on Instagram. We can see all of the different types of creative to understand who they are looking to target. So now we understand what creative is working, the focus of who they are looking to target. Let's have a look at physios to see if we have any nice correlation with well-performing ads. So again, we need to go back and we need to go through the filters. All languages, let's just put in English. Media types, we'll leave that as broad, and we will put in active ads. So now here we can see what people's goals are. Are people looking to have a call to action for brand awareness, for engagement, or for conversions? If they're looking for brand awareness or engagement, they're going to have learn more buttons. If they were looking for conversions, this most likely would be a shop or buy now button. These top ads are looking to target people to become physios. That's not what we're looking for, so we ignore those. We go down, we see there are carousel image ads and book now call to actions. We have videos with learn more.
What most people do not know is You are covered for treatments under law. You get 21 treatments, including physiotherapy, massage therapy, chiropractor, acupuncture, everything. So do not wait. Don't worry about your private insurance. Your motor vehicle insurance will take care of your treatments.
What we can see from that ad is it is geared towards social media. We've a lot of close-ups, 1 or 2 items in the video itself. It doesn't go into a lot of detail. It doesn't have a lot of detail. What it is doing is hitting a pain point, which is the money behind using a physio. And it is saying that everyone is covered for a certain amount of the money that is going to cost you to go to the physio. You're going to get it back. So isn't that a no-brainer? Here we have more pain related ads which get you to go in. You click on the learn more button. We then see the landing page that they are using for this as well. This is key, so you can go and see your competitors' landing pages to understand what is and is not working. The tone of voice, the products, the services that are offered, everything is seen here. So what you can do is you can go and say, whoa, I've got 50 competitors and all of their websites are immaculate. Or you could go and see that actually my competitors' websites aren't great, and that's my benefit, that I can get people to purchase online because I've got competitive advantage because my website is clearly better. In this case, we see that there's a 7-day free trial in becoming a member. What happened over COVID was a lot of physios introduced online courses to help people improve themselves without having to go into the physical premises. Google has a very similar thing. It is not as powerful, but this is a new service that's been provided by Google up to late 2023. You were never able to see your competitor ads. So this is amazing that we have this information. Let's have a look at a competitor of Glassful Media's. We offer a sales and marketing all-in-one platform, which allows you to do everything that you need to. Check the link down below. For now, let's have a look at HubSpot. HubSpot, they are based in the United States. We're currently looking at ads shown in Ireland. So let's have a look at ads anywhere. Ads that are live in the last 30 days. Okay. All formats. So we can have a look to see if image ads, text ads, or video ads are where they put their focus and their energy. We can see the type of language that they're using straight away. So you understand the branding behind it. You understand what languages they're targeting, which will help you understand the demographic. We have the type of creative. So what we can see from their ads are they are looking to target entry-level businesses. They're looking to target people who want to get a website built fast. They want to build a landing page fast. HubSpot offer a free startup package. That is what they are pushing through this as well. They're very smart in how they do it. It starts off with free, then you get pushed into a €50 per month offer. And then after that, if you want to mix and manage sales and marketing together, you can end up spending thousands of euro per month. So for them, it is well worth spending the money at advertising through Google, through Facebook, through Instagram and the like. We can click onto the ad. And this is going to allow us to play
A CRM shouldn't set your teams back. It should revolutionize the way they work.
We can
Make your
see
work
the ad, the text
should
that's
make it
related to
fly.
the ad. They're running a longer form video and they are running short form YouTube clips in here. It's a learn more button. We don't get to click onto the landing page within Google Ads, but we do see the creative, the types of ads, the types of creative that they're running behind it, the tone of voice, the type of call to action they are running. So this gives us a huge amount of insights again. And finally, we've got TikTok ads. TikTok's Creative Center is a fireball. It is coming in as a late competitor to Facebook, Instagram, and they are now looking to target and compete against Amazon. And they've positioned themselves pretty well, especially for creators, for businesses who are looking to get into it. It is known that bigger businesses are finally getting into TikTok. What we're seeing with TikTok over the last few months is smaller knockoff products are starting to disappear and larger brands are starting to come in. So the competitive advantage with TikTok, you get more bang for your buck. Your ad is shown to more people. That is diminishing over time. So get in now. There's still time to make better gains than the other advertising platforms, depending on what you are selling. With Facebook and Google Ads, you can start off with a smaller daily budget. With TikTok, you are forced into a larger daily budget. With TikTok, we're able to see examples of top ads, what is trending now, and we can get creative guidance. TikTok has also introduced an AI assistant, which we can see here, which you can talk to. It is still early days, but have a look at the AI creative assistant, which will help you with creating your ads as well. Let's dive in so we can see exactly how you can take over the world and beat your competitors. We are looking at the top ad examples on TikTok. We're currently looking at Ireland. Let's jump into the United States. We've now filtered this to target the United States. We can have a look by industry. So let's have a look at apparel and accessories and into watches. Okay, we're looking at United States watches with an objective of traffic conversions. So let's most of the time focus on conversions because that's what's going to prove what is and is not working. Set up in the last 30 days, ad language in English, the ad format, you've got Spark ads and non-Spark ads. When you're setting up ads within TikTok, you do want to use Spark ads. And likes, so we want to find the top engaged content with high click-through rate or high reach, again, depending on our objective. And let's click on CVR, so focusing on conversions. So here's where TikTok gets a bit more in depth than Meta, Facebook, or Google Ads. Google Ads gives us the least amount of information. Here we can quickly flick through all of the different creatives in TikTok. Now that we've filtered for the best ones in our industry, in our country, targeting the top objectives, the ones that are best engaged, here we have them. So we've got a selection of the best watches that we want to have a look at. Let's go in and click on the advert.
So this one.
Now we can see what industry, conversions, the ad performance. So they've got 6,000 likes, 74 comments, 225 shares. Watch the video. Then we've got the landing page. So let's click through to the landing page. So now we've got everything that we need. We have the product, the price of the product, the landing page, all of the benefits that are listed with it. We can go back and we see the creative objectives, the content that is used to actually make it. So now we can go and create our own version of this ad that can be similar in style, because what you will find is different industries, different products and services tend to have different styles. This brings two opportunities to you. One is replicate the best performing ad and see if you can piggyback on them. A second strategy is make something that's completely different than all of your competitors, giving you a competitive advantage because there's no one else like you out there. Now, if you want to get more tips like this on an ongoing basis, join our newsletter, head over to glassfullmedia.ie/now, and you can see the best tools that we recommend to people, which you can get a free trial for each of those tools. Jump in, and I'll catch you in the next video.